Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm making some saltfish fritters. It's very quick and easy. So first you need to boil your saltfish, like I did right here. I boiled it 2 times so you get rid of salt. Now I'm just gonna pour the water off and let it cool, and then I'll show you what's next. Mix it up like this. You're just breaking it in small, not too small, but in like medium, decent sized pieces. Breaking it up. Okay, wash my hands. Okay, so after you do that, you just put some flour in a bowl. It's about, I'm put like about 2 cups, I think. It should be good. I'd be like, this should be good, and I'm still pouring. Wait, I think, I don't like measuring stuff. I just pour. So, it's a good amount. See at the bowl, side of the bowl. And then you add the saltfish. A little saltfish. And you add the onion. Oh yeah, you must cut up your onion very small. Onion and scallion very small. So this is only onion and scallion, okay? And you do that. I'm gonna see how much I can make with this. Depends on how big you want them. Okay? Alright. You take your spoon and your water and you pour. Okay, may add no salt. Add a little salt. And black pepper. And if you want it a little spicy, add some cayenne pepper. It's optional, you don't have to if you don't want to. I didn't have no hot pepper, so just put a cayenne pepper in there. Yeah, like I was saying, so pour the water. And the consistency you're looking for is thick. It gotta be thick. Not too thick, but thick. You don't see when I pour it in a pot. Just might as well pour all of it. Onion and bun me nose. Ooh. I need more water. See there? I'm gonna show you how it look now. Well, I'm not gonna show you. I was gonna show y'all what. Get the sides, stir it all around, get in the creases, get in the corners. I thought I cut I think it's a good size. The scallion was looking a little big, but it's good. Okay. I should have pulled this on a little bit. I want to add some more cayenne pepper in there. Look a bit more, look a bit more. video. Be safe, y'all. Ooh, yes, it's ready for the pot. It's ready for the pot. Hey. Alright guys, so look, like that. Alright, so this is how it's looking. See? I'm trying to make at least, let me see, how can I make with this? Alright, so I'm gonna over it. Put 4 in there. So 1 more to go. So what you're doing is going to fry it until it's brown. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Alright, so you can check them if they go to turn. Why do you think alright? I'm gonna poke it in. Come out, but I'm turning it over again because I want it to be brown like this. Okay, taking them out now. Shake all that grease off. Ooh, look at that! Oh my god. So when you stick the fork inside the dumplings, if you don't hear a little crunch, then it's not ready. I mean, some people cook it light, like the first time when I flipped it. Some people take it out like that and eat it, but I like it. So you know what? Let me correct myself. You could eat it that way. You don't have to be crunched, but I like it crunchy. So that's why I flipped it again. Look at that, guys. Ooh, you see that? It's time to add the rest. Add another one in there. I'm about to eat one of these right now. You know. Ooh. I got one more in there, but that one is big. I'm adding 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna have this one in there. Fit. It's gonna fit. Okay. It's gonna fit today. So the last batch. The last batch, guys. I'm about to eat one of these. Right? Come on. I keep thinking I can't do it. Right. Well, it can't turn, no. It can't turn. And there. Come on, turn them here. Come on. See, yeah, when you put them inside, it easily come off. So it's gonna stick together. So this one. I don't want turn. Come on, come on. Sure. Yeah, go on, so. Yeah. You know. Nothing wrong. Not so. Oh man, no, what did that? I knew that was gonna happen. Long. Oh my god. Pick it up real quick before you do something better. Don't do that. Don't do what I just did, guys. I'm trying to flip it on the other side, but it did not work. Okay. The struggle is real. Okay. Put them on. Oh, okay. Oh. This is not fight with me. Come on, man. Let's take them out because they're ready, you know? They're ready, but I'm just one. Okay. Yeah, so when you fry the first batch and you see these little things in there, you gotta take them out because they're gonna be burning. They're gonna be burning. So, see? They're ready. Yeah. I did a more I know y'all put in here. They're ready, guys. So, I'm finito. No, they look like banana because they color. Different colors. Ain't no shame in my game. It's supposed to be like this color, right? Since I want it to be a little punchy, that's why it's like that color. But it's alright. It's cool. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Still gonna eat it. Okay guys, this is the end result. So thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next post, in my next video.